Hi, it's me, I'm Sulef. Welcome to my very first video on YouTube. Today I want to share something I made, not just as a project but as a response to a real problem I faced. You know the feeling before applying for a job, wondering if your resume is actually matching what a job post is asking for? I've been there too. But instead of just guessing, I thought, what if I could test it first? That's when I started building this little tool, Resume Analyzer, powered by machine learning models that reads your resume, compares it to the job description, and gives you the matching score so you can later adjust your skills based on that. And because I believe tech should feel fun and beautiful too, I wrapped the whole thing in a cozy, pixelated purple user interface, just to make the experience a little more magical and aesthetic. Why not, right? I built this using ReactJS, TailwindCSS, Python, and some simple but powerful machine learning logic using NLP models. This is actually day one of the full stack development challenge I'm doing and the first video in the series building a cozy AI-powered resume analyzer web application. I'll be posting new content every day and we will build the full stack aesthetic meaningful projects together step by step. I will also be sharing freebies and other paid high-value ebooks that I made for you to help you follow along and boost your career in tech. Everything will be linked below. Oh, and I'm also sharing extra content on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter. If you like cozy dev vibes, follow me there too. This is just the beginning. I have so many more project ideas and tiny tutorials, courses that I want to share. Not just here, but across all my platforms. So if this feels like your kind of space, I would love it if you subscribed, liked, or even left a comment just to say hi. Your support means the world as I start this journey. Let's build something beautiful together. Let's get started.